If you're sitting on the sidelines but thinking about getting in the game, now is the time to sell. The market is hot, inventory is low, and buyers are dishing out top dollar. I have been asked a couple of times, if the market is so hot right now, do I really need to hire an agent? Hi, this is Claudia Silva with Coldwell Banker, your favorite red hair realtor in Houston. And here's the thing. You can sell your home without an agent, but keep in mind that 90% of the sale by owners fail to sell their home without an agent. If you want a maximum profit in minimum time, you need an agent. Statistics show an agent typically gets you 25% more on the sale, completely covering agent commissions. Plus, your realtor will do the heavy lifting, so selling will be easy peasy. Here is a quick breakdown of who does what during the selling process. So, first thing, deciding to sell. That's your job, although a realtor can certainly help. Selecting an agent, your job, but please do ask friends and family for references. Make sure to ask questions. Prepare your home. You and your agent's job for sure. Price your home for the market is your agent's job to advise, but it's a team decision between you and the realtor. List your home for sale. That's your agent's job. Market your property. Agent's job. Schedule showings and follow up with buyers. That's your agent's job as well. Negotiate offers. You and your agent tag team. Schedule inspection and appraisal. Agent's job. I see a lot the realtor can do for you. Closing and moving day. You and your agent as a tag team. If you or someone you know is looking for a realtor who knows our area, feel free to send them my way. I would love to connect and help you or your friends to sell this summer.